Welcome to King Properties, the Highline. Located in MC Briones Street, Bacolod of Mandaue City, Cebu, assures easy access to nearby leisure amenities and necessities. The Highline main thrust is for its unit owners to have a healthy work-life balance, having anything they need within reach. The Highline combines the key component by putting together the home office concept services amenities into one vertical development. The Highline by King Properties. The real estate that moves you.